Good morning, welcome to today's video. Well, Monday morning, I just woke up, saw the Eagles won. Unfortunate. Not that I'm a Kansas City Chiefs fan because I don't really care, but I don't know, whatever. On my way to class. Sorry, looking at directions. New route for me, longer route. I don't mind it. It's gonna be good for me getting more steps in, I guess. Got about a 16-minute walk. For my old Airbnb, I had a 7 to 8 minute walk. But yeah, I woke up with plenty of time. I'm gonna stop and get a coffee at my little coffee shop over there before I get to the school and start class today. Okay guys, just did my first day of my second week of learning Italian. I've been fortunate to just be the only student there for the beginner level. So it's just basically a private lesson. And not only that, it's been fun to get to know the professor and learn a lot about Italy and the culture, because he's very good about talking to you about all sorts of things. That's just not the language. And so we are having a lot of conversations in Italian. I'm limited to what I can say when I talk to him. I'm very happy with everything I've learned, and so far it's been a good experience. But enough about that. Must get the vlog rolling today. I got my camera out with me. I'm gonna start just doing street photography. So I'm just gonna take some shots on my walk to school and walk back to the apartment every day. It's like right here, I think I can get a good shot of this lady. Let's see how this one comes out. But it'll be interesting to see what kind of shots I can get out here. Florence is a very photogenic city. There's a lot going on, a lot of character, a lot of style, fashion. So I think I'll have a good time doing that. So for today for lunch, we are gonna go check out a place called Pino's Sandwiches. And very popular spot for sandwiches, we've been told. So we're gonna go check it out. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm in my 10th day today in Italy. Yesterday for dinner, I didn't vlog this. I tried Chinese food. Really good food, really food. All Chinese cooked people. It wasn't like Italian people cooking Chinese food. It was a Chinese restaurant in Italy. But really good food. I really liked it, enjoyed that. Just needed to take a break. Eating pasta like crazy, eating pizza like crazy. And I can only do that for so long. Ok, vámonos con el Top Jaw. ¿Está bueno el Top Jaw? ¿Sí?
Top Jaw?
¿Está bueno?
Top Jaw è con picante.
Pero lo puedo quitar sin picante.
Possiamo llevar, se quiere.
Sí, sí, está bien.
Sí.
Okay.
Check it out. Julie got the casa sandwich. Here's my Top Jaw sandwich. I think I said it's full of... Okay. Here's Julie's sandwich. This is called a casa. It's got salami, cheese, eggplant, and what else? Pesto. And these are massive sandwiches. Check that out. My sandwich was $7. Yeah, my sandwich was $7, and I think Julie's was $6, if I'm not mistaken. It's not too bad. Good prices. So I just went and asked the owner, or Pino, if this was named after the YouTube channel Top Jaw. He said yeah. So I had no idea. I'm gonna have to go check the video out. It's a cool channel, by the way. Top Jaw. Good food stuff, good. They make great videos. I think it's a little hyped up, to be honest with you. All right, so that was actually good. The more you bite into the sandwich, the better it gets. I kind of judged it too early. Really good. I give the place, sandwich shop, 7.5 out of 10. There's some, I think 1 or 2 more I have on my list that I want to check out before I leave. So every day we're going to try to go check one of the attractions that the city has to offer. Check one off. Today we're going to Basilica de what, Julie? Oh, Santa Croce. Basilica de Santa Croce. So imagine Florence, right? This city is breathing history. Every cobblestone is whispering stories. And smack dab in the middle of it all is this imposing basilica, Santa Croce. So when you walk in, you're immediately hit with this sense of grandeur. I mean, the sheer scale of this place is just wow. And it's not just any church, right? This is where some of the biggest names in Italian history are hanging out, like literally. Think Michelangelo, Galileo, Machiavelli. They are all buried here. Talk about a star-studded cast. You can practically feel the weight of genius in the air. And you know, you don't even have to be a history buff to appreciate it. The tombs themselves are works of art. These elaborate sculptures and monuments that tell their own stories. Now, it's not just about the famous dead guys, though. Santa Croce is also packed with incredible artwork. You've got these stunning frescoes by Giotto, and some of the earliest and most important examples of Renaissance paintings. And the stained glass, the way the light filters through these windows, it's just like stepping into a painting yourself. And while you're wandering around, you might notice the leather school attached to the church. Florence is famous for its leather, and Santa Croce actually has a school where they teach the traditional techniques. It's a cool little side trip. You can even see the artisans working their magic and maybe even pick up a souvenir. Honestly, even if you're not super religious or into art history, Santa Croce is worth the visit. It's a reminder of how much incredible talent and history is packed into this one city. You get a sense of power and beauty of the Renaissance, and you walk out feeling just a little bit more cultured, you know? So the next time you're in Florence, make sure to add Santa Croce to your list. It's not just a church, it's a time capsule. And trust me, you won't regret stepping inside. So this is the Basilica di Santa Croce, Holy Cross. I'll be honest with you guys, I wasn't planning on doing this today. I wanted to do something funner, but this is what the wife wanted to do today. So this basilica, I will say, it's not very gaudy. There's so much interesting art in there and so much detail. Once you're in there looking at stuff, you start noticing everything in the basilica. Yeah, just a lot of interesting history. I'm not really even like a religious person or like really truly into like art, but it's still interesting. Just a lot of history, very old history, very interesting stuff, in my opinion. We're gonna get out of here now. Let's go home. Today we're cooking dinner. Well, not home. We're cooking dinner at the Airbnb, so let's see what we can pull off. We're gonna try to cook some Italian pasta. So I had this on my list. It's called Vita Artigianale. It's a coffee shop. It's great reviews. I'm gonna come back. I just happened to walk by it on the way to the store, and so I just picked up an espresso, but I will come back later. Salute. Oh, that is nice. I'm definitely coming back here to have more coffee later on. Not today, but picking up some pasta at La Bottega. Okay, so she's recommending we use the prosciutto with Julie's dish of the night.
Esa è burrata o mozzarella?
Mozzarella.
Due... Ah,
Due pedazos.
No, bocconcini, sì. Sì.
Oh, the peachy al tartufo. We wanted to make some pasta tonight, and that's exactly what we did. We got the recommendations from the lady at the store. She was very kind and helpful. She recommended this fusilli grande pasta, which is a pasta from the Tuscany region. Prosciutto was really good. She sliced that up for us nicely, and it was full of flavor. And then some pecorino romano cheese. Very simple dish. Not many ingredients, but that just goes to show the quality of the ingredients make a huge difference. The pasta came out really nice, al dente. We really enjoyed it. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.